Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at a magical winter wonderland. This is Montreal West train station. Around 1:45 p.m. on the 5th of December 2023. Check out how these trees are still kind of frozen over. As I have a train coming here, an EXO train about to make a station stop. There's the old Montreal West train station. And you can see the light of a train coming through. This is the day after a storm here in Montreal area. And everything is still kind of really snowed up. I love how the trees still have that pristine snow kind of thing going on. And the gates are about to go down over there on whatever that street's called. I keep forgetting. Elmhurst. So we got F59PHi. Unfortunately, that light stand is in the way. And we got some of the regular standard bi-level or multi-level coaches from Bombardier. I think this is just coming eastbound rather. And it might be coming from Candiac, actually. Personally, I thought it was going to go the other way, but nah. We don't get those trains till later. Unbelievable. Look at these trees. And there's Elmhurst Street there. And any minute now this train's gonna move. Cars are still crossing Elmhurst Street. Love those trees. Although it's a gray day, they promised us some sun, but weatherman lied. There's the Elmhurst Street bells. So this train's about to leave. In the foreground there, those are the tracks for the St Jerome line. It's completely now fenced off from the rest of the station. Oh wow, look at that. A CPMOW truck too. That's unusual. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.